Have you ever planned a camping trip with family or friends and realized your cooking gear just isn't built for feeding a group? Tiny pots, limited cookware, and missing utensils can quickly turn outdoor cooking into a frustrating experience. If you've been looking for a complete camp kitchen that can actually handle group meals without taking up your entire vehicle, this might be worth your attention. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Odoland 18pcs Camping Cookware Set, a large outdoor cooking kit designed for families, group campers, backpackers, overlanders, and anyone who enjoys preparing real meals outdoors. Instead of piecing together separate pots, pans, plates, and utensils, this set brings everything together in one package. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing that stands out is just how complete this set feels. Unlike many camping cookware kits that only include a couple of basic cooking pieces, Odoland has built this package around the idea of feeding multiple people comfortably. Inside, you'll find large cooking pots, a hanging pot, a frying pan, a kettle, bowls, plates, serving tools, and even cleaning accessories. For families or groups, that level of completeness can save both money and packing headaches. In terms of design, the cookware feels surprisingly lightweight considering the amount of gear included. The anodized aluminum construction helps keep the weight manageable while still providing enough durability for regular outdoor use. The pots and pans have a practical, no-nonsense appearance that prioritizes function over style. The nonstick coating is a welcome addition because it reduces food sticking and makes cleaning significantly easier after meals. One of the most useful design features is the foldable handle system. Every piece is designed with portability in mind, allowing the cookware to nest together neatly. Once packed inside the included mesh bag, the entire set becomes much easier to transport than you might expect. The thermally insulated handles are another thoughtful touch, helping reduce the chances of accidental burns when cooking over open flames or camp stoves. When it comes to real-world performance, this is where the Odoland set starts to make a strong case for itself. The cookware heats quickly and works with multiple cooking methods, including gas stoves, firewood, and open campfires. That flexibility is important because not every camping trip offers the same cooking setup. Whether you're cooking breakfast on a portable stove or preparing dinner over a campfire, the cookware adapts well to different environments. The large hanging pot is especially useful for group cooking. Preparing soups, stews, pasta, or larger meals becomes much more practical compared to smaller camping cookware sets. The kettle also heats water quickly for coffee, tea, or meal preparation, while the frying pan handles breakfast foods and simple frying tasks without much trouble. Another area where this set performs well is convenience. Because everything is included, you spend less time worrying about forgotten utensils or missing cookware. Cleanup is also relatively simple thanks to the non-stick surfaces. While no outdoor cooking setup is completely maintenance-free, this one minimizes many of the common frustrations associated with campsite meal preparation. Of course, there are a few compromises. The biggest is size. While the large capacity is a major advantage for families and groups, solo campers or minimalist backpackers may find a set larger than necessary. If you're hiking long distances and counting every ounce, a smaller cookware kit would likely make more sense. This set is better suited for car camping, family adventures, RV travel, and group outings. Compared to other cookware sets in the same price range, Odoland offers impressive value simply because of how much equipment is included. Many competing products require you to purchase additional bowls, utensils, or cookware separately. Here, you're getting a nearly complete outdoor kitchen system in a single purchase, which helps justify its appeal. Overall, the Odoland 18pcs Camping Cookware Set is an excellent choice for campers who frequently cook for families or groups. It combines versatility, portability, and convenience into a package that solves many of the common challenges of outdoor cooking. If you're tired of struggling with undersized cookware and want a more complete camping kitchen solution, check out the link in the description for current pricing and availability. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more camping gear reviews and outdoor equipment recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.